Good morning and Jain, dear kids. I welcome you all in my English class. Children, this is your Abhilasha ma'am. I'm going to share a video of ip sound. So, what we will do first? We will first write today's date. So, children, today is 14 October 2020. Very good. And now we will write CW. Now let's read the words. Ip dip. Ip pip. Ip zip. Ip hip. Ip sip. Ip sip. Ip lip. Ip tip. Very good. Children, now let's write these words in our Learning Made Easy copy. So, what we will do first? We will first write today's date. Today is 14 October 2020. Very good. Now write CW. This half portion is classwork. So we will write classwork over here. Now let's read the word. First we will read the word, then we will write the word. Ip dip. Repeat twice. Ip dip. Ip dip. Now let's write. Beautiful handwriting. Sundar pencil, sundar writing, beautiful pencil, beautiful writing. Dip. Ip hip. Ip hip. Let's write. Ip hip. Okay. Ip lip. Ip lip. Lip. Okay. Now last word is ip zip. Ip zip. Come on, let's write the last letter. Ip zip. Let's read once again. Ip dip. Ip hip. Ip lip. Ip zip. Children, you write these words beautifully. Complete your work. And share your homework on Google Classroom. Bye-bye. Take care.